Hello everyone, Aslam Manzoor here. Imagine a customer that's scanning a code and boom, they are inside your sales funnels, booking and appointments and making the payments with the just simply barcode. Yes, I'm talking about the QR codes inside a GoHighLevel, and in this video I will show you exactly what they are and how it works. So let's dive in video and I will show you how you can utilize the barcode in your funnels, in your websites, in your payments systems, and even you can make your payment URL in your barcode and simply send the barcode and you will receive a payment just of single click. Instead of you're sending URLs, sending invoices, just simply send a basic QR code and you will receive the payment. So let's dive in video and I will show you how we can create a barcode in a GoHighLevel. Just log in a test account that we have using for our course, and you can watch my all basic to advanced GoHighLevel course in a previous playlist. So let me dive into the site area of GoHighLevel, and in the site area I'm going to the QR code section. Here we have QR code section, and simply you can create your own QR code that you can use for payments, you can use for funnels, you can use for your websites as well. I just click create on it and you see where we can create for website, for reviews, for calls, for SMS, for emails. So I just say that's our test keyword, and we are going to use on our website, and simply I just select the website here, and I will say if you want to use for a review, if you want to use for a call, if you want to use for SMS, and if you want to use for emails. For now I'm going to use for this subject, and simply go to the next icon, and in the next icon I just put our website. I will say, in my case I will say leadsflex.com. that's my website, and I just simply click on it, and I will design this barcode according to my requirement, and colors, themes, and whatever your brand color is, you can design your according to your websites and your website's requirement. I just say that's also a red, and for backgrounds we are going to use this one for now. And shape, we have multiple shapes here, so I can use this one. You can circle, you can use this one, and we can use this one. These are all code format you can utilize according to your requirement and according to your design. And here you can put your logo as well that you want to show in middle of this, and you can add your custom logo as well. But here we have, just for example, if it's a payment workflow, just simply add this one. And background page, you can just simply click on the image and you can add image here, so it will be look like this if you can add on a background image. But for now I'm not going to use anyone. And so your barcode is ready. You can download here and you can just save SVG, PDF, whatever you want to save. For example, I will just download this one, and if someone click on it and scan it, it will be automatically redirect to leadsflex.com. In other case, just simply save it, and then you can use this barcode in your just simply click on it, and you can use this barcode on your websites and funnels as well. And here we see a complete analytic about the QR code, how many people scan, how many people share, and how many people download this barcode. You can receive all things here. So yeah, that's it from this video. If you like it, please share and subscribe. And if you need any GoHighLevel related services, simply go to the leadsflex.com, book a free consultation with me, and I will guide you how you can utilize this feature, or you can utilize other GoHighLevel all features. Thank you so much for watching this video.